Hello friends, welcome to the Plant Education Academy. In this video, we will see second part of important questions for agriculture exams. Let's start the video. 51st question. Irrigation method which is used to irrigate close growing crops like groundnut, wheat, paragrasses. Answer is check basin method. Check basin method is surface irrigation method in which area is divided into number of basins and this method is followed in grain and fodder crops. 52nd. The village tillage operation in which primary tillage is completely avoided and secondary tillage is restricted to seed bed preparation in row zone only is called zero tillage. Zero tillage is also called as no tillage operation. 53rd. Basic slag is which type of fertilizer? Answer is phosphoric. 54th. Plant origin insecticide is pyrethrum. Next, improved seed distributed to the farmers for commercial cultivation is certified seed. Next question. What is the percentage of sulfur content in single superphosphate? That is the 11%. Sulfur content in single superphosphate is 11%. Next question. Lysimeter is used for measurement of evapotranspiration. Next question. Most serious disease of okra is yellow vein mosaic. Seed rate of marigold per hectare is 1.5 kg per hectare. Next question. Which gas is emitted from soil due to rice cultivation? That is the methane. Next question. In which pulse crop first hybrid variety was developed in India? That is the arhar. Sulfosulfuron is an effective herbicide in the crop of wheat. Which cow breed is known as Lola, Montgomery and Multani? Answer is Sahiwal. Merino breed of sheep known for its high quality wool has its origin in Spain. Next question. Process through which water moves from surface of soil is called infiltration. Next question. Deholming in potato is done to obtain quality seed or quality tuber. Next question. Satgudi Malta is commercially grown in which state? That is in Andhra Pradesh. Which soil is warm up quickly? Sandy soil. Next question. Initial seed of an improved variety is called as nucleus seed. The inheritance of how many characters were studied by Mendel in Garden P? 7 characters. Next question. P is commonly propagated by which method? Semi-hardwood cuttings or single node cutting? Next question. First mechanism to start wind erosion is called saltation. Next question. Which is pear-shaped variety of tomato? That is Punjab Chuhara. Next question. Growing of trap crops in which type of pest management? That is in cultural method of pest management. Next question. Holstein Friesian is an exotic breed produces highest milk in the world. It is the native of which country? Holland. Next question. Podzolization process occur in which type of climatic condition? Answer is cool humid. In cotton, zinc deficiency is known as mottle leaf. Next question. Which system of training of grapes has highest cost benefit ratio? Answer is Bower. Next question. White color brinjal is good for diabetic patient. Hartic net is special characteristic of ectomycorrhizae. Next question. Lime is required for reclamation of acidic soil. Next question. The pest density at which control measures should be applied to prevent an increasing pest population from reaching the economic injury level is called economic threshold level. Next question. Project covering 2000 to 10,000 hectare of command area is called medium irrigation project. Next question. Tallest breed of sheep is Nellore. Common disorder of forking in carrot and radish causes due to excess of moisture during root development and due to soil compactness in heavy soil. 86th question. Application of fertilizer and other nutrients through drip irrigation is called fertigation. Next question. Seed viability is being tested by tetrazolium test. Next question. Soil order with little or no horizonation and abundant original parent material characteristic. Answer is antisols. Next question. Market in which business is done in accordance with rules and regulation is called regulated market. Next question. Fruit cracking in pomegranate is due to boron deficiency. Next question. Undesirable crop plants in main crop field is called relative weed. 92nd question. The ratio of crop yield to the total amount of water used in the field. Answer is field water use efficiency. White bud of maize due to zinc deficiency. Egg mark established in the year 1937. Next question. Small farmers has land holding of 1 to 2 hectare. Next question. Indian Institute of Soil Science is situated at Bhopal. It was established in 1988. Next question. Name of chemical primarily responsible for color of saffron is crocin. Capacity of high volume spray is more than 400 liters per hectare. Salted smoked meat of pig is known as bacon. And last question. Banana bunch top virus transmitted by infected suckers and banana aphids. So friends, these two parts of videos were to know about questions pattern of agriculture exams. In next video, we will see subject wise topics and that topic based question answers. So stay motivated, study hard, and thank you.